Welcome to the Brain Tech Finance. So if you're actually not earning on Coresage and then you are missing a lot, that is why I always say in my videos that join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp discussing group for instant updates. And here is where most people lose opportunity like this. Most crypto enthusiasts here still really don't understand what Coresage is. This is not your regular Ponzi that runs for a month and dies. It is a smart contract on core blockchain, giving you the chance to accumulate core long term while it's cheap, right? So this is a very opportunity for you guys to accumulate more core much as you can before this trend ends, right? So start with just 60 core, then upgrade or refer to increase your daily earnings, right? So that is what I'm about to show you in this particular video. So if this sound good to you, give the video a like, subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first person you see it. So to upgrade yourself on this platform, very simple. So you can see we have 3x matrix, right? So for the 3x matrix, you can see we have level 1, level 2 up to level 12. You can scroll here, you can see here, you can see it here, level 12 for the 3x matrix. Then we have 6x matrix, which is the x6 matrix, right? So you scroll down, you can see also 1, 2, and that also up to 12 right here. You can see it. So if you want to upgrade yourself, it's very simple. You need to start from the x3 matrix. So you can see I've opened this one. So the next one also is for this, right? So I have 60 core in my account. So what I need to do is to tap on this to upgrade. So this is still deducted from my balance of the core I have in my balance while I have connected to this wallet, right? So that's how it works. So what I need to do is to tap on 60 core. So you can see, okay, 60 minus 60, right? So let me confirm it. You can see I need to verify it. You can see transaction submitted. So let's check if our level have been open. So you can see this is the first level that I have already opened, and then the second also level. So you guys, you can see our second level have been open for us. This is the 60 core. We upgrade it now, right? So that is how we upgrade our levels on Coresage, right? You can see Coresage. This is how this opportunity called, right? It's called Coresage. It's very good, right? It gives you a chance to accumulate core while it's cheap, right? So this is a business, right? You can take this as your whole business, right? And remember, Coresage is 6 years strong. Coresage is just 1 month old, right? When core price start moving, those who started early will already be smiling. And one thing is interesting on this platform is that once you confirm the withdrawal, it goes straight to your wallet. And one thing about any money online is that the earlier you join the opportunity, the earlier the better, right? If you want a step-by-step to get started on this opportunity, then check out on this video. And if you don't understand anything in this video, just drop your thoughts on the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. Do what you want with this information. The earlier you join, the earlier you earn. And I will see you in the next one.